Let's see how we can change the already set regular key. So this is the master account, this is the regular account. So we will be executing this code. Before that, let me comment these lines of code. We don't want it to execute as of yet. So let's run account info command on master account and see the account which has been set as regular key. So this is our regular key. For confirmation, let's even output the R address of the regular account. The R address is present inside the constant regular and field address. Let's execute this and cross verify. So as you can see, this is the regular key for the master account. So now we need to replace this regular key with a new regular key. Okay, so let me comment this out. Well, before moving any further with the code, let us open the documentation and read and understand the concept first. So let me go to the documentation, references, transaction types, and the transaction type is set regular key. Here we have already seen this. Scroll down and let's go to this link, working with regular key pair, and go to change or remove a regular key pair, because that's what we are going to see in this video. So you can read this. I'll start by reading the second paragraph, that is changing a regular key pair. The steps to change your existing regular key pair are almost the same as the steps to assign a regular key for the first time. You generate the key pair and assign it to your account as a regular key pair, overwriting the existing regular key pair. However, the main difference is that when changing the existing regular key pair, you can use the existing regular private key to replace itself, whereas when assigning a regular key pair to your account for the first time, you have to use the account's master private key to do it. Of course, because for the first time you don't have any other method to authorize the transaction except for your master account's private key, so you have to sign it using the master key. So now let's create a new XRPL account and assign this new account as regular key by replacing the existing regular key. So I'll just copy the secret. Let us create a constant called secret3 and derive the account. Let me copy this, change this to secret3, and let me call it as account3. Now the task is to replace the regular key. For this master account, this is the regular key. As of now, we need to replace it with account3 as its regular key. Okay. So we are fetching the sequence number from the master account. So this is set regular key payload. Let me uncomment this. We also need flags to derive the fees. So let me uncomment that line of code too, wherein we fetch the flag names. Let me also uncomment the code wherein we submit this transaction to RippleD. Okay, that's it. So if you don't know why we are writing this line of code, please watch our previous video tutorial wherein I have explained this in detail. So we are executing this on behalf of master account. So we need to fetch the sequence number of the master account. We are doing that here. And the main difference is this field, regular key. So we need to assign the new account's R address, which is present inside account3.address. That's it. Now the important thing is you can sign this payload either using master account or the current regular keys account. Let me scroll up and show both of them. They are present here. You can sign with master account, but I'll sign it with the current regular key which is present, and its account is present inside the constant regular. So let me scroll down. Okay, this transaction, once executed and included in the validated ledger, will replace the current regular key with the new regular key. Okay, this is successful. Let me clear this and comment these lines of code. So this will be our new regular key. So let's check that by making a payment transaction. So I'll copy this. So if account 3 has been successfully included as the regular key of master account, this transaction should be successful. That is, we are executing this payload on behalf of master account by signing it with the regular key, that is new regular key, account 3. And as you can see, the transaction is successful, which means account 3 is the new regular key for master account. Now, similarly, you can't sign this using this account now, regular account, because it is no more a regular key of master account. Let's try that. And as expected, it throws error, that is transactions public key is not authorized. So this account is not authorized to sign the transactions of master account. So that's how you can change the existing regular key and assign a new account as regular account. So one more important thing is this regular account need not even be activated on XRP Ledger. It can just be a mathematically generated account, that is key pair, which you just use for authorizing the transactions of master account. Okay, in the next video, let's see how we can totally remove a regular key from master account.